welcome to Tasha Determined, the Queen of Weight Loss show on the PIC TV network. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I will be discussing my top 5 tips to achieving successful as well as long-term weight loss. Tip number 1, having a well-defined why. Having a well-defined why is very critical as well as imperative to successful weight loss and keeping the weight off. Having a well-defined why, what that means, why do you want to lose the weight? What is the importance of losing the weight for you? For me, my why was my health. I did not want to be on diabetes medication. I did not want to be on high cholesterol medication as well as heart disease medication. So my why was my health. Prior to 2017, my why was not well defined. Meaning, at that time, I wanted to look cute. I wanted to wear cute clothes. The reason why I wanted to lose weight back then is because I wanted to look cute. Which, looking cute is okay, but that cannot be your primary why or your primary reason for losing weight. As a result, I failed for 9.5 years until I reestablished or redefined my why. So my why was my health. What is your why? That's queen tip number 1, have a well-defined why. Queen tip number 2, walking. Walking is an amazing way to lose weight. Yes, you can lose weight by walking. I do get that question a lot too. Individuals wanting to start their fitness journey. One of the questions I get is, where should I start? How should I start? What should I do? And my answer is walk. Please walk. Start your fitness journey by walking, because that's what I did. And walking is very therapeutic. It's a calming session. You can lose weight by walking. It's low impact on the body, which means it's not as stressful on the body in regards to high intensity interval training, also known as HIIT. And also with walking too, it builds cardio strength. It's low impact, and it's a great way to start your fitness journey. So that's tip number 2, queen tip number 2. Queen tip number 3 is water. Please drink more water. Start consuming more water on a daily basis. The recommendation is a gallon of water per day, which is accurate as well as valid. And if you're not able to drink a gallon of water a day, please work your way up to that. Just remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Slow and steady wins a race. So if you can work your way up to drinking a gallon of water a day, you'll be well on your way to achieving your healthy lifestyle and keeping the weight off for good. Tip number 4 is stretching too. Queen tip number 4 is stretching. Stretching is very effective, and also it prevents injury in regards to your fitness journey. Start stretching before you're walking. Stretch for at least 5 to 10 minutes. You can do upper body stretching as well as lower body stretching. But just know that stretching is one of the tips to your healthy lifestyle. And also remember, stretching prevents injury. So I highly recommend doing your stretching before you start walking, even before you start doing high intensity interval training. You can stretch for 5 to 10 minutes, and you can stretch. Stretching is your upper as well as lower body. More to come about that as well. So, and tip number 5. Tip number 5, queen tip number 5 is breathing. Now, during these exercises, such as walking as well as stretching, please incorporate proper breathing, which is deep breathing exercises in and out. Breathing is very therapeutic as well, and that's another way to start you on your healthy journey. So we discussed 5 tips, 5 queen tips to help you on your weight loss journey. More tips to come. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. Until the next video, take care. Tune in to Tasha Determined on the PIC TV network. Thanks for tuning in. Take care. Talk to you soon.